Wow, we got a Pagani Huayra. Alright, it's parking next to my Superleggera. Very nice. Doing a photo shoot with the Huayra Roadster, 3RS as well. Getting into the Huayra. Awesome. Oh, that's sick. Wow. That's pretty good traction. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Wow. But that turbo spool, that's amazing. Got my Toyota Camry right there. Compare this car. Wow, look at all the buttons.
You turn on the mic?
Wow. It's really nice of you to let these people take photos.
Sorry?
I mean, it's really nice of you to let people take photos of the car. Yeah.
So you see, like,
Yeah, okay, yeah, it's like my car too. A single clutch. Yeah. At low speed, it just like jerks.
no, the sport mode have this problem, but the comfort mode doesn't have this issue.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, this thing just wants to go, like, yeah. So now we got the 3RS and the Huayra side by side. Worst timing ever. You just freaking leave the truck like that. Okay, he's doing a U-turn, but it would be worse if he just leaves the truck like that. But yeah, we got the Huayra in the back waiting. We're gonna get a ride in the 3RS. Got the Huayra in the back. Run it back. Yeah.
Ready? Fire on. All right.
All right. Alright, we're rolling with the Huayra Roadster. And there we got a Camry with a freaking rig. That's epic. We got people hanging out as well. All for the Huayra Roadster. Alright, so we got the Super G here and the Huayra Roadster over there. Doing some Mexico stuff, right? Oh, what car is that? Look at the license plate. We got 0.5 GPA right here. Got me too sexy. And then look at this. If you know, you know. ABG's DM.